Okay, there we go.
Great.
Okay, so here is the landing page for our website. Basically, what we tried to do, we want to create something that you can have like mini groups of like people, and like when you first land on the page, you can like without having to log in, you can look up the name of a circle, and then here you have all the results. And when you click on one, it navigates to the whoops. It was literally just working. Hold on. Let's get the intro. And now it's doing it again.
Should I bring mine?
Yeah, bring yours.
It's your server.
Yeah, I don't. Yeah, bring your computer, please.
Did you know about the server? I think it's the server.
Is it the server? Wait, let me see. Yeah, it's right here.
Oh, yeah. There you go.
Yeah.
Oh, it should. Okay. Oh, okay. Yay! Okay. Let me do that over again. You lied to me. Okay, bring your computer.
It's working just a few minutes.
Like,
Sorry.
literally.
We all agreed to get it.
All right.
Let's make this work.
All right. It's like make it like full screen. All right. Okay. All right. Third time's the charm. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. So when you click on the circle page, it navigates to the specific group where you can see all the posts from the users, and in a next tab you can see all the members that are currently in the group. And something we had planned for the settings page, you can like add or remove people in the group, and like one feature that we wanted to implement was like have like a vote to like remove a specific person. just like kind of like, you know how you would like organize your own like friend groups, you know?
So
just
if
like
someone breaks the rules, you just like vote them out.
yeah, just selectively opt to like just ignore them. Okay, alright. Somebody let's talk about the login.
All right, so we also have a login page over here. So, well, you put in your username and password, and then you log in. And we have a user's page with a profile picture and the post by the user. This specific.
Let me give you a user that has more stuff.
This one like doesn't have enough posts. Doesn't have any.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, this should
All right,
have
so
some.
here's another one. So this one has one post, and over here you could see all the circles this specific user belongs to. So this one belongs to a circle called Anime Haven, and these are all the posts within that circle. And you can see the other members of that circle posting as well. So we didn't add any like comments or likes or anything like that for now, given the time we had. And then inside this circle, you also have the same thing. You also have the settings, and you could delete and add a user. So one thing we actually thought about doing was having a leader for that specific for each circle to be able to like have the final say in like what happens in the within the circle.
Right, and that would be in the settings pretty much. That's for the future.
I think, yeah. When you click add a user, you can like search from like all of the users and like that are like registered. Wait, let me see.
Well, Circle is grayed out.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, yeah.
So you could
I
either
guess that's
search
not
by
working right
user
now.
or by circle.
Yeah, I don't think this works for now. But yeah, so
gonna try with this.
essentially you'll be able to choose like from any user that you want to add to your group.
All right. So we also have an info area for the user with the user's name and their email. And this one has, and then over here, you could, if you wanted to update the user's information, you could update it over here. We are still working on that part.
Yeah. And then when you're finished, you could log out.
Let's talk about.
Yeah. Yeah.
For the lead user part, let's see, when you get to it when you're not logged in, is that a functionality you use when you're not logged in?
What do you mean?
Like I saw when you said to delete from a circle, like you delete someone from a circle.
Oh yeah, you could delete. You mean like when you were like on like the settings page?
I think
So when you search over
You
here.
mean like the add? You mean like the delete page?
Yeah, you weren't logged in
Yeah.
when you showed it was the first time. Can someone delete someone when you're not logged in?
Well, not from the login, but basically like the settings page inside the circle it uses the same component that is used in the this page right here. But it basically has a few features that like restricts the output the output that it gives. So it'll only show like the users that are in that particular circle.
Yeah, and like essentially we'll have it restricted to only that the leader can like add or delete a person from the group.
Right.
So this page was originally just to like search for circles, and then once you're done, you could also like once you sign in, you could also search for users as well.
Yeah.
Right.
I have a question. So what was the the basic idea that helped make you guys come up with this particular type of app and this idea of an app? What was your guiding framework?
So
Yeah. Right. So like we wanted to make something that's kind of like a mixture of like Reddit and Discord, mainly Discord. Like we like the idea of like small groups and like artificial restriction in terms of the groups that we can make. We also really like the idea that I believe I'm trying to remember who else was in the group, but Douglas and their holding app. We thought that was actually a really great idea, and we wanted to kind of expand on that a little bit and make something a little bit more robust, so to say. Yeah.
And I guess like
Not saying that you can.
and I guess like the twist here is like
A twist, yeah.
it's kind of more volatile in that it's like this is kind of more like a competition kind of thing. Like people like I think essentially when we were thinking about it, like people would want to become the leader, like we would like nominate people, like vote who we want to take certain positions and stuff like that.
Right.
Yeah.
and I also think like we also played around with the idea of like fantasy league is like
What?
fantasy league. So like some people join it to like play like if this particular sport they want to like be part of and they join it and they have like an entire community
Yeah.
based on that. So.
Is that a GIF?
Yeah.
What was your question? I didn't get it.
Is that a GIF in the back?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.